Hongbo Auto Parts are committed to the development and manufacturing of auto parts, driving the pace of progress with science and technology, enhancing the value of customers with quality, and embracing a sustainable future with innovation. It is always our pursuit to meet the growing needs of our customers through high-quality products and services. Over the years, we devote ourselves to the development, manufacturing, and service of auto parts. Today, as a well-known domestic auto parts manufacturer, Hongbo Auto Parts Company Limited wins the favor of the market through strength and integrity. Continuous innovation is the cornerstone of Hongbo's development. In 2015, we established the Laboratory Center and introduced the industry's top testing equipment. Hongbo insists on independent innovation over the past 10 years and has won 2 invention patents, 8 utility model certificates, Zhejiang High-Tech Enterprise Address, and many other honors, with witnessed Hongbo's every innovation step of the road. In 2019, Hongbo Auto Parts moved to new plant, which located in Ruian district, covering an area of 27,000 square meters. In order to meet the needs of customers, our company introduced more than 50 large and small high-speed punch machines, 30 energy-efficient injection molding machines, 7 CNC milling machines, 4 CNC lathes, 12 CNC wire cutting machines, and 5 CNC EDM machines. Intelligent management makes our production capacity continuously improved, and a strict quality control center makes a guarantee for our quality. Now, the second phase of Hongbo plant is about to be completed. We have been trying to improve ourselves, aspiring to become a leader in the industry. At present, our products are mainly applied to Benz, BMW, Volkswagen, Audi, Fiat, Opel, and other series of models. The products have been approved by the world and exported to Asia, America, Africa, Europe, and other regions and countries. In the next 10 years, Hongbo will carry the load forward to achieve technical upgrading in products and aspire to reach the international leading level in the auto parts industry. Technology innovation, Hongbo will always be with you.